She's got a smile and it seems to me reminds me
part of the three-part video. In the video we'll try to look at Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty also on Friday did not give any kind of trend. So Bank Nifty support is at 43,600 levels. So our strategy should be to see if they provide some support around 43,680 to 43,580, 43,600 to 43,580 positive candlestick. Then we can go long for 43,740 and 43,875. And on the downside, let's say it opens flat or even it tests this resistance at 43,876, then we can have a reversal trade from there on with a negative candlestick down all the way down to 43,346. So Bank Nifty promises to be volatile today. Would be quite interesting to trade, I think. So I'll be focusing on Bank Nifty. So let's see where it goes. So key levels are 43,600, 43,875 to 43,900, and on the downside 43,350 and 44,000. So look for turns around 43,900 and 43,600. So that's our trading strategy for the day. I hope this was useful, and thank you very much, and trade safe. I'll see you with the video tomorrow. Bye bye.
she's got a smile and it seems to me reminds me